My head is big and round inakanga ka soccer ball. Those things are very unnecessary. Hapo wengine anaenda kununua deodorant boys. Unaenda kununua deodorant imetengenezwa Kariobangi kwa nini? Utanuka hapa kama mandazi by 12. Udanidai kwani? Hey guys, how you doing? I hope that you're doing great. I hope that you're doing awesome. Good afternoon. I really missed you guys. In case you're new here, my name is Emma. Karibu sana. I usually don't look like this. Don't usishtuke. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. I really missed you. And thank you so much for clicking to my videos. It's an honor to have you here. So guys, today is a beautiful Saturday. But I know you're watching this on a different day. My hair is a total mess. I need to do something about it, you know, and maybe also about my nails, but my nails has jaka sana, so I don't think that I'm gonna take them out anytime soon. I just woke up and I had a total mess of things that I needed to correct over here. And my place right now, my bed is looking wonderful, my clothes folded and the rest hanged, you know, it's looking wonderful and I love a clean space. So yeah, today is a beautiful day. I want to get my hair done. I'm about to wash it. I want to get some cornrows. I think I have done them before, and did I show you? I think so. Ukienda kwa profile yangu kwa IG utakosa a video or two or a picture with me in the cornrows, and I was like, I looked beautiful, you know. I have a big head. My head is big and round inakanga ka soccer ball. So cornrows really work good and really make my head look nice, you know. So guys, I want to go get my cornrows done. And another thing that why I'm doing them, it's because they are very affordable. They are 400 bob. Nisna pesa. Then also I want to go and catch up with someone over coffee and also get some business consultations of something that is coming up on your way, and I hope that you're gonna support it. So yeah, that is my deal. So if you have not subscribed, please subscribe, turn the notification bell on to get notified every time I post a new video, and also give me a thumbs up so that I can get recommended to other people on YouTube and the squad can grow. And finally, comment down below, because at the end of this video I will be giving out an MVP shout out, and I hope that it's gonna be you. If you want to make yourself a MVP, comment down your username on IG, then I can give you a shout out on both YouTube and Instagram. And last but not least, I really love you so much, and please watch my videos to the end, you know, support this girl. But without further ado, let's get into the video. Let me go and wash my hair and do some tidy up on my body. Then we go out for coffee, doing my hair, and also I've not mentioned this, but I'm also going to get a few hygiene products. To my ladies on here, I really wanted to ask you something, and I don't know if I'm the only one who experiences this, but I really wanted to ask you something. Do you guys drive before you get your periods? Because Those things are very unnecessary. Tell me why my face is breaking out, my back acne is acting up, and my stomach is doing the thing. And you know, funny enough is you get constipated at first, you cannot go to the toilet for about a week. Then all of a sudden, a few days to your menses, you just like your stomach is like, let's do it. Now let's push it out. Let's liquefy it and push it out. And I'm wondering, wow, overacting, yani overdo. Ni mimi peke ama I think tuko watu wengi, yani period diarrhea is just so useless. Oh my god. So yeah, come with me and I really appreciate you here. I love you so much. Look at that. Look at that. The forehead is doing the thing, but look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Gorgeous. Hey, I'm looking so pretty. Thanks to me for taking care of me. Oh my god, it's looking so good. I got Fulani braids and they're looking good. Awesome. I wanted them to be like bob. Yeah, ikuwe bob sort of thing, nieke beads at the end, but nikakosa beads, alafu zilikuwa bei kali, and I was wondering like, are they necessary? And I had beads nilipoteza, but guys, I love the look. I love it so much. It is so neat. So neat. Comment down below if you are in Juja and you want my plug. Very cheap actually. Together with the hair, I used less than 1,300. So and I used only how many packs? 5.5 packs of hair. And my head is big, as I said. It is big. So you can imagine that yako itakuwa less kama kuna kichwa ndogo. And these are sort of knotless braids at the back, and these are knotless lines at the front. Looking so good. Ni vile hii lines is straight. No. But anyway, who's gonna notice that? It's so cute, so cute. As you can see, I am ready. I just went for a very minimal face beat. I'm ready to go out and watch the sunset, you know, and do some errands. Then I will be back. Come with me. So jana guys, I went shopping, hygiene shopping, to pick a few things, and one of the things I picked was a deal, because a girl here can sweat and this hot weather is not working for me. It's actually like inanitesa, and I was so sick and tired of taking a shower in the morning. Then by around 11 nime sweat and the scent is not pleasing, so I went to get a deal, and I got this one from Rexona. It's antiperspirant, and guys, the price of this deal, shocking. You know, I was on TikTok nikona mademo wakicomplain about prices za deal, alafu wengine anaenda kununua deodorant boys. Unaenda kununua deodorant imetengeneza Kariobangi kwa nini? Utanuka hapa kama mandazi by 12. Now me I went. I stood there to be too short. The smaller version, 300. And this one 529, 600, and I'm wondering, yani you have to pay all that money ndo sinuke jasho. Now I understand why you people kill us with sweat. I understand why you guys kill us with sweat. And let me tell you, with the price of this thing, vile nitakuwa naipaka pichi, itasukuma mwaka aki ama 6 months. Gosh, 500 for who? You mean now? Guys, I'm sorry, I was judging people. I thought deodorant was affordable. I was not using Dio, and nilikuwa nimeadvise you I take the Old Spice thing, the Dio, the one looking like, I don't know, ile ya kupush. Yeah, I get that one, but niliona pesa karibu nianguke hapo. Mungeniitia hapo 911. Anyways guys, we have come to the end of the video. Thank you so much if you've gotten to this point. I really appreciate. Give me a like so that I can get recommended to other people on YouTube, as I always say. And also, if you have not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? We need you here. You know, we want you in this group. And finally, again, we have come to the MVP part, and I want to give a shout out. And today's shout out is a very good friend of mine, a very dear friend. She has been with me in this content creation journey, and we have been talking and exchanging ideas, you know. Yani alafu mtu mmoja akipotea mwingine anakumbusha mwingine, uko wapi, we need your content. And she's also a content creator on YouTube here. Go support her. I will link her channel in the description box. And today's MVP is none other than Lily Huha. Hi Huha, I love you so much. I love you so much. You're so great. You know, thank you so much for always showing up and showing out for me. She likes my stories like crazy. Unanidai kwani? I love you so much, girl. It's really heartwarming, and I appreciate it so much. May that Wi-Fi router of yours never break, and may you get money to refill your zinaitangwaje, mi sijui kama ni bundles zenu ama, you know, I don't know. But may you never lack. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I love you so much. So yeah guys, I will see you next time, same place kama kawaida. I love you so much. Kisses and bye.